Friends, I would like to record my feelings, my opinion, and a little knowledge that I have professed about that great Maharaj, about whom I would like to say a few things to you, friends. Swami Satyaprakash is a great realized soul, an outstanding Bharatiya in all respects of the term. I have been given the opportunity to know him intimately during the last few months of my stay in Vancouver, BC, Canada. I came into contact with him months back. From the very first day onwards, an inner urge in me pushed me towards him always. He's a great yogi and a tapasvi, very knowledgeable, well-read, with a massive academic background behind him. He's a great tapasvi, he's a great yogi, he's a great muni, possessor of great knowledge and wisdom of Bharatiya culture, deeply well-read in all the holy scriptures, Vedas, Vedangas, and many things. Above all, he means all people, he means to all people all things, always in a hilarious and happy mood. His very presence is a solace to people who have some kind of difficulties in them. His very presence is rejuvenating and helpful to weed away our difficulties and our discomforts. His knowledge about the Shastras is so deep that he can recall back anything suitably with a figurative approach. Though I couldn't understand Hindi and Punjabi, I am able to appreciate his upanyasas, his discourses, because the way in which he puts things very logically, scientifically, rationally, and spiritually. He brings happiness and a divine atmosphere to a place wherever he goes. The other day, I had been fortunate enough to be with him for about an hour or so when he gave a beautiful lecture on how the asanas help us to give us a kind of a deep understanding of how asanas and the different postures relieve our mental tension, pressure, etc. I was indeed awestruck by the way in which he physically, gave us how to proceed with the asanas to develop every human being into a full-grown individual. Much more than that, the unique phenomena with him is that he never gets angry with anybody he comes whatsoever. He never asks us anything. During the last 50 or 60 years of my existence, I have been given the opportunity to be in close contact with Mahayogins, right from Ramana Maharshi, Sringeri Sannidhana, Shankaracharya. I belong to the Shishya Parampara of the Dakshinamnaya Sringeri Sharda Peeth. I find in Swami's elegance and Spirit presence a kind of a divinity personification. His ideas encompasses all divisions of human knowledge. He is very rational, logical, and philosophic in his approaches. He has his own, what you call the set ideals, But never in his lectures or in his conversations he pushes any of these things into anybody's throat. That is his marvelous splendor. So I think I have been blessed by his presence. I have been blessed by his association. And I have been doubly blessed by his lectures and spiritual discourses. This Yogi Maharaj has got his background education in Vedic and Vedantic scriptures. Under the great masters like Pattabhirama Shastrigal and Subramanya Shastrigal. Fortunately, I am a distant bandhu of both of these erudite Vedic and Vedantic scholars, under whom Swami had the great opportunity to be taught. For not less than 3 decades at Kashi. Speaking about Kashi, one is reminded of the famous scripture's words, Kasi ka puradhinam kala bhairavam bhaje. So to be associated with this Mahayogi, with this Mahapurusha, at least in some sense, I think that I have been blessed by God. I belong to a great parentage of a very traditional and conservative background. In fact, my parents' well wishes and blessings have always been there to be in guidance for me to go into a kind of a kinship and of a kind of a devoteeship with such master souls like Swami Satya Prakash. Paritraya sadhunam vinasashya dushkritam dharma samsthapanacharya sambhavami yuke yuke. The immortal words of Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. In days of depression, in days of desolation, in days of shortcomings, in days of fights, I will be reborn to guide you to proper directions, to give you solace, to give you help. Don't be worried, Arjuna. These same words come to my mind whenever I listen to the lectures of Swami Satya Prakash. Let us all enjoy the bliss that he gives to us. Thank you. Wish you all the best of luck. Namaste.